Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up filter logic in your reports so you can control exactly how multiple filters work together to display the data you need. First, let's navigate to your Reports area and open an existing report where you'd like to apply filter logic. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new report to follow along. You'll see a filter icon in the toolbar. Go ahead and click on that to access the filtering options for this report. When you're working with multiple filters, you'll want to click the right arrow to expand the advanced options. This is where the real power of filter logic comes in. On the left side of the screen, you can set up your filter logic by organizing your criteria into groups and individual filters. This gives you complete control over how they combine. Now, build out your logic by selecting the fields you want to filter on and choosing the appropriate operators for each condition. Here's where it gets interesting. You can combine your filters using and or operators, and even use parentheses to create more sophisticated rules that nest conditions together. Make sure the automatic preview toggle is turned on so you can see your results update in real time. Then hit Run to apply your filter logic. Once you're satisfied with how your filtered report looks, click the Save button to preserve your work. That's all there is to it. You now know how to use filter logic to create powerful, customized reports that show exactly the data you're looking for.